It is a well-established fact that back massagers can have substantial benefits for your general health. Used regularly, a back massager can relieve muscle pain and heal with your lower back problems while improving circulation, along with your general disposition. Not just that, but the constantly applied pressure will also render your skin smoother and healthier overall. In fact, there are almost no downsides to using a back massager, not when compared to the multiple benefits they provide. To give you a better idea of what's out there, we put together a list of the 5 best back massagers the market has to offer for you to look at.
It allows my patients to be proactive with their health.
The repetitive stress or poor posture that we have. And so we really get this forward head position. It puts a lot of stress and strain on the muscles of the neck.
Them to slowly open and close, and with the vibration it allows them pain relief and gets the joint moving in a way that you just can't get without vibration.
Neck massager. How can we have a long journey without it? Nipo massage pillow. Advanced intelligent heating function. Soothe aching muscles, ligaments, and tendons. Ergonomic W-design massage pillow fits perfectly against the contoured shape of your neck. Automatically change the rotation directions of the wheel per minute. Bring unprecedented, extraordinary experience to muscle. Make your journey better.
Hi, I'm Jenny McLaughlin, the Massager Product Manager for Wahl. In today's product preview, we're going to be taking a closer look at Wahl's Deep Tissue Percussion Therapeutic Massager. Percussion massage is also known as tapotemment massage. Tapotemment means rapid percussive tapping of the massage area. It is used more aggressively to work and strengthen deep tissue muscles. It increases local blood circulation, making percussion massage great for large muscle areas with serious aches and pains. This massager has a large, heavy-duty motor and is one of the most powerful massagers in the market today. It offers a large amount of displacement, or distance traveled back and forth, and this is what gives you the intense pounding, deep tissue massage. This powerful unit has a variable speed dial for a gentle to intense massage, pulsing up to 3,350 pulses per minute. And for your comfort and ease of use, this massager was ergonomically designed with a long handle and 8-foot cord for use on hard-to-reach places such as your lower back. This massager also comes with 4 interchangeable heads. These heads are built with a spiral lock mechanism to secure them in place during use. To change out, simply untwist the attachment head. The deep muscle head thumps smoothly, creating a deep tissue massage. The 4-finger flex head contains soft, finger-like nodes, replicating a human touch massage. The acupoint head targets deep into tissue. It's great for pinpointing concentrated tight areas. Lastly, the flat disc head has a wide surface area that creates a gentle, relaxing massage for all over general body use. Again, this is just a quick product overview of Wall's Deep Tissue Percussion Therapeutic Massager. If you have any questions regarding this unit or any other Wall massager, please visit massagers.wall.com or call one of our USA customer service representatives. Wall, the brand used by professionals since 1919.
Shoulder massager. Endless work. Why not have a relaxed moment? Naipo neck and shoulder massager. Original 3D rotation of the U-shaped design. Perfect fits in your neck. 8 deep kneading shiatsu massage nodes soothe tired, aching muscles. Change the massage position freely. Selectable heat further relaxes neck and shoulder muscles. Improve blood circulation. Where there is a pain, there is Naipo massager.